Hey everybody, it's Lori from Zone 5 Garden Fun here. I hope you're having a good February. It's almost the end and I thought I'd share my Coleus planting. I got some seeds and it's probably a little bit early, but I'm too excited to not do that, and I have a free weekend, so here we go. I got these seed starting kits from Amazon. They came in a pack of, I believe it was 20, but it has 4 pieces with it. There's the base tray. Then this is what the soil goes in, and you can see the bottom of this has some space for water, so you can self-watering. This goes in here, and then there's a lid which has little perforated holes, and it comes with this disc which you just snap in place, and then you can open and close it for humidity. So it's a nice little humidity dome. So these are for all the little seedlings, and they're going to go in my little greenhouse. Now I'm just using some seed starting soil. I believe it's a Jiffy organic seed starting. It's just what I just happen to have. And I filled these up. I dampened the soil just a little bit so that it's not so dusty. And then I can spritz it with water without worrying about it being too wet. I have my black dragon Coleus, my chocolate covered cherry Coleus, and my superfine rainbow Coleus. I mean, the chocolate covered cherry Coleus are pelleted, so they're a little bit bigger. They came in this kind of little pipette, if you can see that. Still really small, even though they're pelleted. You can see. Can you see how small they still are? Still small. Just laying these on top of the soil. I'm doing one per cell. I'm just going to trust my luck on these because they're pelleted. They were more expensive. 7, 8, 9. That one is stuck in the lid. Now I'm just going to press those down. You don't really want to cover them, you just want to get them in contact with the soil. They need light to germinate. Make sure it's not stuck to my hands. This I've already filled with some water. Not sure if this is going to fit or not. Yep, just barely. Put it in the middle. This humidity dome is closed, and there's that one all ready to go. The superfine rainbow Coleus. These are not coated, and you can see itty bitty teeny tiny seeds. There's like, I guess just one little pack of them. My goodness, these are small. I think there's 50 seeds. So I'm going to try to do about 2 for each little cell. Here's an easier way to do this, let me know. We have some left over for another one that I will do. Mistake. These came with this. I think there's about 10 because that's how many of the little cases were in a pack. I just happen to have these from when I bought some staking tape, so I'm just using those for now. There's more room to write on. Coleus. Let's give them a quick mist with water. Black Dragon. This is one I'm really excited about. I can't wait to see if these will grow for me. I really hope so. First time with Coleus, so we shall see. These aren't pelleted either, so again, little tiny, teeny tiny seeds. Well packed so you don't lose any of them until I open them. Tiny, tiny little seeds. About two or three seeds per cell. Very hard to see. I don't want them to, I want to pour them out. End up with 20 of them in one. Light pat. Make sure there aren't any stuck to my fingers. Black Dragon. Again, just snap the little humidity thing in the hole. This tray with some water. All ready. This is my little indoor greenhouse. I have it open. For the Coleus, I have a heating mat, which will be on all the time. I got this on Amazon. See right here, this plugs in. And I have a grow light, 2 grow lights that are on a timer. So that'll give them light for a lot of the day. They do need light to germinate, and they need to be warmer than the basement, which is about 60. It's pretty chilly down here. But the greenhouse is nice as it closes up. Little zipper. Fits nicely in the window. I use the grow lights just because it's dim down here. But I have another, you can see this shelf will be for some more seedlings. And I have a few extras. I was growing some licorice and some Coleus cuttings that I took actually last fall, and they're still alive, and it's February. So, yay!